Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, we are wrapping up our DIY Playhouse series and sharing the final touches we added to the girls' Playhouse, starting with a fun color block accent. Now, color block paint projects are a favorite of mine because they encourage creativity. You can have a lot of fun with the design and create a custom piece in your home that truly reflects your style and color palette. If you're thinking about adding a color block accent in your home, here are some of our tips that you might find helpful. Number 1 is visualize your design. Think about the size of your color block and the space you're going to feature your project in. You want to make sure your design aligns with the existing aesthetics of your space. Number 2 is proper prep work, and I cannot emphasize this enough that you do not want to rush this step. Make sure you're using quality painter's tape to map out your design. I've linked our favorite in the description box. Number 3 is a paint hack you can try if you have textured walls and struggle with creating clean paint lines. Simply apply some paintable caulk along your tape lines and then paint as usual. After your second coat of paint, immediately remove the tape and you should have the prettiest, cleanest lines you've ever seen. Number 4 is using the correct painter's tape for the project, meaning if your color block design includes overlapping sections like ours, then you're likely going to be taping a part of your freshly painted design. You'll need to use painter's tape with a lighter adhesion, like the yellow tape Bernard is using, which is also linked in the description box. That way, you won't peel your fresh paint when you're removing the tape. One way we chose to make this an affordable project was by using leftover paint from previous DIY projects. I really like how bright and fun the yellow color is, and I'm balancing this by using 2 different shades of green. You can find all the paint colors as well as our favorite paint products linked in the description box. Now that we have this pretty custom color block, we're moving on to functionality with some DIY floating shelves. Again, in trying to keep our costs down, we're using leftover material, which so happens to be pine. These shelves are going to hold books and art supplies, so nothing particularly heavy. Instead of a basic shelf face, Bernard is adding a little detail which will bring some character to the shelves. You can easily build these shelves using whatever lumber is available to you, and there are several different ways you can assemble them. Bernard chose a combination of wood glue and pin nails, followed by some bar clamps to hold it all in place until the glue sets. While the shelves were drying, Bernard and I got to work on assembling the girls' new drawing table and play kitchen. Assembling both of these weren't difficult, but they definitely were time-consuming. I specifically chose this table because both of my girls enjoy drawing, and so the built-in paper roll holders just what they needed. Okay, back to the shelves, and now that they're dry, Bernard can secure them to the wall by screwing through the inside of the shelves to the wall studs. I cannot believe it took 2 years for us to finally add these last touches to the girls' playhouse. But now that it's complete, it is such a cute space for them to spend time together and build memories. I've linked everything I could in the description box below. Looking around at this structure that Bernard built with his own 2 hands, I am just grateful that we could even give our girls such a gift. All the long days and hard work were worth it because they're happy, and as parents, what more could we ask for? Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.